Yeah.
So what are we going to do, Parikshit, today?
We are going to unbox PS4.
A surprise! What is this?
PS4.
Oh! This is the PS4 for Parikshit. Let's
Open it. Unbox it.
open it.
Or unbox it.
Okay.
After how many days I'm making unboxing video.
Yes. So this is the box.
Yeah.
Now
It's kind of heavy.
keep it down
Is it heavy?
a little bit. Okay.
Sir, do you think
We
I'm
open
heavy?
it. So the first thing that we get here is this cable. This is the HDMI cable.
What is it?
This is I don't know what. This is the fun thing.
Yes. That's a remote control.
That's the
Remote control.
okay. These are some instruction books.
Yeah.
So this is the 3-month membership that we got for the PS Plus. The instruction manual. This is how to download your digital items. The voucher is here. And then this is another user manual. This is the power cord.
I think this is a laptop.
This is another USB port. And now
Power.
comes out. Comes the okay.
Yes, four.
This is the
Game.
game. That is Ratchet Clank. What's the game?
Ratchet Clank.
What's the name of this?
What a weird name.
There are more games over here. So
Yeah.
this is the favorite
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Huh?
And let us take out the console.
No, there's not.
There's one more game. This is the GT, the real driving game.
The GTA 5. Papa?
No, it's not the GTA 5, it's GT.
GT
And this is the console.
means a laptop.
Not the laptop.
The mean?
This is, let's see what it is.
Oh, it's a laptop.
No, it's not a laptop.
It's a PS4.
Yes, this is how we keep it.
Yes.
Okay, that's the USB port, the HDMI ports, the LAN cable, the power cable, and here is the power button and the drive. And then there are 2 USB ports in the front.
See, this
Now
game
we will
also.
be-
See, I have the same. I have this toy, this Spider-Man, and this game has the same
Come down and
Spider-Man.
see.
This game has the same Spider-Man as mine toy Spider-Man.
Yeah. Now let's see.
So, hello friends. So, my papa is plugging the cables in the TV so I can play in it, and let's see how it goes, friends. I'm pretty excited. So, we are making an unboxing video after so much time. And what are these stuff? I don't understand what are these. These are like fences or castles. Yeah, and all the games. Woo! See, Licky, whatever you call it, and Spider-Man. What does this say? Action gadgets, weird aliens, and Ratchet Clank. That thing. What is this thing? Feel only speed. Okay. And Spider-Man, what does this say? Be greater. Obviously. Spider-Man is greater than us. Obviously. That's obvious in Spider-Man. So friends, see, that's my TV.
This is the disc that we are going to put it inside. Here starts the
Spider-Man.
Here we go.
You know that here it is only. Huh?
No, even I am learning.